Hi my dear kids, this is Suman on the stage of
Subrat Singh Children Academy.
Dear kids, today we are going to complete some exercise related this chapter. Okay dear kids, we had completed our explanation segment in my first video. The chapter name is the bubble, the straw and the shoe, and my second video complete the word meaning and question answer. Today we are going to complete our some exercise related this chapter. Okay dear kids, are you ready kids? Yes. So kids, let's start. Your first question is, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using help box. आपका हेल्प बॉक्स है, आपका हेल्प बॉक्स जो है उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए जा रहे हैं, जैसे सोप, वाटर, ओके, वाटर, wear, breast, river, and stretched. Okay dear kids, the bubble, makes with and second is the shoes on your feet. Okay, and third is the bubble with a big bang. Now completed. The bubbles make with, what will be used here? Yes, soap, and water. Okay, soap and water. The bubble makes with soap and water. Okay kids, and next is the shoes wear on your feet. Okay, and next the bubble burst with a big bang. Okay kids, and now next sentence, and number of 4, they wanted they wanted cross they wanted cross the failure. Okay, and number 5, the straw blanks himself. Okay, himself. So complete it. They wanted cross the river. Cross the river. The straw stretched. Stretched himself. The straw stretched himself. Okay, dear kids, this exercise is complete. आपको समझ में आ गया आपको कैसे फिल करना है? कुछ आपके हेल्पिंग बॉक्स में वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, उनका यूज करके आपको सेंटेंस को फिल करना है. ओके, नाउ डियर किड्स, माय नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. डियर किड्स, नाउ योर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. Mark right. And wrong in the given sentences. Okay, dear kids. So dear kids, your first sentence is the shoe jumped on the straw. Okay, straw. The shoe jumped on the straw. It is right or wrong? Yes, it is. And next is number 2. The bubble of straw and a shoe are friends. Okay, are friends. This statement is right or wrong? The bubble, a straw and a shoe are friends. Right statement or wrong statement? Yes, you are good. This is right statement. Okay, now third is the straw The straw broke the bubble. Okay, broke the bubble. Dear kids, the straw broke the bubble. straw ने बबल को तोड़ दिया था. Right or wrong? Yes, this is wrong statement. इस statement क्या है? Wrong. Okay, now your number of 4. The shoe fell into the river. The shoe fell into the river. Okay, right statement or wrong? Yes, this is right statement. So tick here. Okay kids, and number of 5. They crossed the river. They crossed the river. Okay, this is right statement or wrong? They crossed the river. उन्होंने रिवर को क्रॉस कर लिया था. Right or wrong? Yes, very good. This is wrong statement. Okay dear kids, in this question tick the right or wrong statement. इसमें क्या करना था आपको? Right or wrong को टिक करना था. Okay dear kids, now your next exercise, match the following. Okay, match the following. मैच द फॉलोइंग. क्या करना है आपको? मैच करना है. ओके, सेक्शन ए को सेक्शन बी से मैच करना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज शूज एंड सेकेंड इज बबल. थर्ड इज laughter. And fourth is breast. Number 5 pen, and number 6 river. Okay, now next side, water, socks, exclaim, okay, exclaim. नेक्स्ट है हैप्पीनेस, नेक्स्ट है आपका माउंटेन, एंड नेक्स्ट इज पेपर. Okay dear kids, नाउ मैच इट। डियर किड्स, शूज कौन किससे मैच करेंगे? सॉक्स से। ओके, शूज मैच द सॉक्स। ओके, एंड बबल, bubble, yes, very good, bubble match to water, very good. Laughter, yes, you are right, laughter match to happiness. Okay, and rust match to excellent. Okay, next, pen match to paper, and next, river match to mountain. Okay dear kids, I hope understand very well. So I meet to my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Take care. Thank you.